Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I need to wet my face. It is Sunday and it's time for a shave. I know I said that already. Today's shave soap is going to be by Wet the Face, and this is Pipe Smoke. I was going to say Pipe Den there for a second. The scent on this is very nice, and if you can see by the label does show that the pipe tobacco is smoking or lit, but the scent on this is not that. It is a fresh pipe tobacco, almost as if you took it directly out of the pouch. Here's the pour. Now, I will tell you guys, if you haven't used this particular soap before, it is a very soft soap, and I would not recommend lathering it in the tub. Now, I do have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush. And let's just go ahead and lather up. Why not? There's not much to say about the razor. Oh yeah, that is a pleasant scent. Have you guys used Wet the Face Pipe Smoke? I don't know why I keep wanting to say Pipe Den. If you have used this soap and tried the fragrance, let me know in the comments below. Nice. All right. Now, the razor for today is by PAA, and this is the Prismatic Razor. I do love the head. The handle, on the other hand, is not my favorite. It's a shorter handle, and for me, it's almost too short because my hands are so large. I will be using the Gillette 7 o'clock blade. Can't get that in there. This is the yellow one, the yellow version. I'll go ahead and load that up. I have 3 days worth of growth. My wife and I are going to be leaving later on this afternoon to go to a friend's graduation party. One of their children graduated high school, and so we will be attending a pool party, get together, eat out, whatever, you know, one of those type of things. So let's go ahead and warm up the razor and get going on pass number 1. I do have my phone in airplane mode, so Jerry will not be able to interrupt this shave. All right, here we go. Very nice, sharp blade. And it is smooth on top of that, so it is a nice blade. I don't think, did I have this blade in the Showdown? I don't remember. Seems like it's been so long ago now. Yeah, this razor, when I hold it, it just feels like I need just a little bit more for my pinky to touch it, and it would feel a little bit more secure in the hands. And I know in the past I have swapped out the handle and used other handles, but I'm not going to do that today. How was your weekend? The weather is starting to warm up very nice here. The humidity hasn't really kicked in yet, so the mornings are still nice and cool. And then as the sun approaches, it warms up, and then the evenings are still cooling back down, and I can't ask for better weather. I should say for this time of year. I enjoy the fall. That's my favorite season. All right, let's get lathered up for pass number 2. And let's just see, I'm gonna wet my finger here. Not a whole lot of residual slickness with this soap, but it is a nice soap. I did use 1/4 teaspoon and 6 milliliters of water. This one, since it's soft enough, it doesn't require as much water. But let's take a little look at the lather. It's on point. I might have been able to get it a little thinner, but it looked nice in the bowl, and it feels nice on the face. It's not dissipating, and it rinses easily from the razor, so I know it's kind of in the ballpark when it meets all that criteria. And I did forget the ice cube stick. I don't know if I should run down and pick that up or not. Probably not. I'm in a little bit of a hurry today. Mama's already twiddling her fingers, waiting on me. She's not rushing me, she's just waiting. Which to me feels like a little bit of pressure. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Oh yeah. All right, well, let's see here. I do have the matching splash. This particular splash is a little bit of a frosty look to it, and you definitely want to shake it because some of the oils or whatever is in there is it will separate. So I like to just give it a little bit of a, you know, shake up. And it has a nice size restrictor. It's not too small and it's not too large. The scent strength on the splash itself, it's not real overpowering. I'd say it's a little on the mild side. But, you know, that's safe because if you put too much in there, you have a chance of some people burning the face. Some people don't get along, their skin doesn't get along real well with scent oils, fragrances. All right, well, wow, what a shave. That is the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.